Hello dear, this video is for justification of text in Android. Make sure this video or this tutorial will only work inside Android 8.0 plus, means Oreo plus API level 26 plus version. So final output will be whatever you want to type inside the edit text. You can type, then after you make it justify, it will the justified text inside the text view. You can see in this image. So let's start. As per the Android guideline, upgrade your Studio to 4.0. Inside this one, we are using view binding to replace the find view by ID. So let's start. Justify text in Android Oreo or 8.0 plus version. So go to new project with empty activity. This one is OTS, means one time step. Just you have to write view binding enable equals to true. Make sure your internet connection should be on. So after that, we need to design the screen with one edit text, one button and one text view. So it is very easy to make this screen, and after that we are writing certain things inside the edit text and click on the button. Sure that we are going to write the code for the justification inside the text view. So let's start and go to file, new project with empty activity, click on next. So give the name whatever you want to give, likewise demo justify, I want to give the name, click on finish. All the stuffs are ready. So first I am going to build.gradle file. It is not dependency, just write view binding then enable equals to true. So click on sync now. Make sure your internet connection should be on. After that, there is no need for writing find view by IDs for all the components. So there is two lines of code we need to write inside main activity. It is activity main binding, which is automatically generated class by view binding. Initialize that variable binding equals to activity main binding dot inflat get layout inflator. Press semicolon. Over here just write binding dot get root. So this is over from the view binding process. So let's go ahead to set the view. So I am going to code, and first I will want to make the padding of 10 dp. I think it's okay. And first one, it is edit text. So it is edit text. Give the ID for that @ +ID edt underscore type. I want to give the name. Likewise this way, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content. There is no text by default text, just I want to give the hint. Okay, likewise type here. Then I want to make the text size of 30 sp and text color will be black. So everything I think it is okay, just I don't want bottom to bottom off. I remove this one and set margin top to 20 dp. Okay, margin top to 20 dp. And you know the lines, in how many numbers of lines you want inside the edit text, just I set with the 6. After that I want one button with match parent and wrap content. First give the ID @+ID and btn underscore make it means make it justify. Okay, so whatever you want to set you can set over here. Text color left to left of, right to right of, margin top. There is no lines are here, so just type text color. I want to make it white and background color will be black. Okay, top to bottom of I want to set to edt type, and just type one text, and inside text just type make it. Okay, so everything it is okay from margin top and all those things. Okay, margin top should be DP. Okay, over here I also want to set only text we need to set inside the SP. So only one thing is remaining, it is text view. So just I copy this one, Control C and paste it. Just change this to text view. Give the ID to text view, likewise TV underscore display. So by default text also you can set, likewise justified text will be here. There is no hint for this one. So left to left of, right to right of, it is okay, but top to bottom of whatever the button. Okay, so there is no need for line. I think everything it is okay. So text view is here, but I want text color a little bit different. So just I click on it and make it with this one. So little bit on the blue base. So screen is ready. Just I close this one and I want to write the code over here. Likewise, very easy, you can write binding dot btn, make it dot set on click listener new space and control space. Okay, if you can say binding dot edt type dot get text dot toString dot trim is empty, then you can set certain message likewise toast dot make text get application context type something. Okay, and toast dot length short, always remember dot show method. And inside else parts, if something is writing in that point, just I copy this one and you can type string, then msg equals to, you can write binding dot type dot get text dot toString dot trim. Very easy thing that you can set. And over here, if you want only precautionary step, then you can set build whatever the android.os version, build dot version dot sdk int, it is greater than or equal to build dot version code dot o is there. See this one, we have already seen, said that it will only work before Android 8.0 plus version. So binding dot TV display dot set justification mode is there. Then over here you can type layout dot enter word. So justification underscore mode dot enter word is for the justification, and after that you can directly set binding dot whatever the TV display dot set text whatever the message is there. So just I type this one very easily and very nice point of view. So only two lines you need to write, but the main basic line it is set justification mode. So just I press shift F10. So output is here. Just I type that you are Android developer, so you can understand this important topic of Android version 8 plus means OS. Okay, name is Oreo and API level 26 plus version. Why I write this one? Because just I want with some combination of text and some digits. So subscribe it. Okay, so just I am going to press this one. See this one over here, you can see space after 26 plus Android plus these after these or developer comma, that all the thing will be resolved over here inside the below text view. So you are Android developer and whatever the text you can see this one it is justified text. So very easily you can make it justification inside of text inside text view. So as per the commitment, our final output is here. So I hope this one is just an experiment I want to share with you. So justify text inside the Android. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.